Hello, my beautiful people.
How y'all doing?
He back, y'all. This man is off on the weekend now. He don't know how to act no more.
Yeah, I've been to Hawaii. Stop playing.
He been on vacation, y'all.
Yeah, I've been.
So
I've been on
he
vacation.
say, that's what he say, y'all. But anyway, y'all glad to see him back.
I've been to Hawaii, y'all. I've been working out of town.
I'm glad to have him back, y'all.
No,
If y'all like.
I was just playing with y'all. I've been working.
Yeah, he been working, y'all. Getting that money, y'all. So, yeah, that's why he ain't been up here. But he got a chance to get up here today. So, anyway, y'all, we have meatloaf. And we don't like tomato or tomato
Ketchup.
paste or ketchup on our meatloaf. We like gravy. So, yeah, we have some meatloaf with gravy, mashed potatoes, and some corn. And some rolls right here. We have some
Biscuits.
rolls, some biscuits, whatever. Biscuits. And I'm having Pepsi for my drink.
I got water. I'm sick of Pepsis.
He done drunk
I done
Pepsi
drunk
so
so
much,
much.
he's sick of them, y'all. So we're going to say grace and we're going to get started. Lord, Father God, thank you for this food that we're about to receive and let it be nourished to our body, Lord. In Jesus' name, we thank you. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Let me see what I'm tackling here. No, it's good.
There you go, y'all. Everything good to him.
I did when you ain't ate nothing in a long time.
Oh, don't try to fry me up here because I ain't been cooking. They know I ain't been cooking. They ain't been seeing me with no food that's been cooked. Nothing but seafood and some that I done bought.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me move over some, give you some elbow room or something, because you mighty close here.
That's why I lost all that weight.
There you go. He ain't lost no weight, y'all. He ain't lost nail pound. I ain't been cooking, but he sure been eating. He still been eating. So, y'all ain't got to worry about him not eating. I don't care if I don't never cook. You ain't never got to worry about him not eating either.
I didn't do that.
So, right, you can make sure you get something to eat.
So, ain't nothing like a home cooked meal, though.
Yeah, you right about that. I don't see you getting in there cooking nothing.
They ain't my specialist.
Then you what?
Specialist, I don't cook.
You gotta learn.
I eat, I don't cook.
You gotta learn.
My job provide to put the food on the table. Not cook.
Okay? You still can cook.
You don't like my food.
Certain stuff.
I had breakfast.
That's it.
You ain't never had none of them.
I have.
What?
We tried to cook a Sunday dinner that time.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
And Cowboys, y'all. You don't represent.
About time y'all won.
About time y'all lose. Look at meatloaf. Good too, y'all.
Do a thumbnail
Oh no.
or nothing.
I would let y'all have some behind.
Thumbnail.
I ain't no home cooked meal so much, so long, girl. It'd be alright if I eat the plate too.
Help yourself.
I'm gonna eat the plate too.
Help yourself.
It's okay. Pop everywhere.
Yeah, about to have some.
Y'all doing out there? Everybody doing all right? Everything has been okay.
I was supposed to cook turkey wings, collard greens, mac and cheese, potato salad, but they only had them big turkey wings, and I don't like them real big ones. I couldn't find no young turkey wings.
Where you go at?
Harris Teeter, Food Lion.
Oh, you already know about them now.
Why? Because Food Lion be having them.
You supposed to win the international.
I ain't feel like going international. That's why.
Well, that's what they at.
They had the big one too.
You know Food Lion.
They had the big ones too. They've been having the big ones for the longest.
I bet you I go out there tomorrow and find some. Why? I guarantee you that.
Well, go ahead.
I ain't going out there.
Yeah.
It's just as good as turkey wings right here.
Exactly. I'll try to find some for next Sunday.
Yeah, because I'm off on Sundays now, so I can get me a Sunday meal.
Yep.
That's if I act right.
You already
find
know. If he act right,
You'll
he'll get no
find
meal.
something.
He don't act right, he don't get no meal. He said we act right, y'all, because you know why? He be doing the little tedious stuff. Like, not putting the toilet seat down after he use it.
Huh. You know when you have sleep, sometimes, you know.
God keep telling him over and over again, y'all. Who hate that? Who hate that when a man go use the bathroom, they lift the seat up and never put it back down? Who hate that? That get on my last nerve, y'all.
So, baby,
I'm telling you.
You don't realize that when a person gets a little older, they forget things. Do you know that? Yeah.
Boy, you ain't that old, you keep forgetting. You always
I said,
forget.
when you get older.
I forget. Always forget. You don't forget that much.
This water good too, girl. Hit the
They look
spot.
good. So how's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's being blessed, staying safe. What y'all eating on tonight? Tell me something good so I can cook it.
Yeah, tell me something good.
Because I'm running out of stuff to cook anyway. That's why I don't cook no more.
How you run out of stuff you don't
Because
cook?
that's why I don't cook no more. Because I'm tired of eating the same stuff.
I ain't never heard that one.
That you have.
You run out of stuff, you don't know what to cook. I know I find something to cook. I know what to cook.
No, you don't. I don't want to eat no chicken.
See, I can find you something to cook, baby. You ain't got to worry about that. I can get a meal, you know, Taco Tuesday. Oh, I be able to.
We ain't got to keep doing no daggone tacos there too.
We ain't did them. We ain't did them late.
Well, not lately, but we always do one. I ain't never know you make no sandwich out of your stuff. You always just eat your food. I got to make a sandwich out of everything.
But you got to make a sandwich out of them.
Huh?
Suppose you got some bread, I can make a sandwich.
I'm always have some bread.
Excuse me.
Ooh, excuse me.
That pepper make you burp like that. I don't
Not
drink that
always.
now because you don't buy now. You drink a lot of stuff you don't buy, do you?
So ain't buying none. You buy them enough.
For me.
You buy enough on for us.
I know it's me.
Enough for us.
I had a lot of food up here.
I got you 2 big old pieces of.
Yeah. I guess you ain't cooking so long. Go ahead and finish my decent plate.
I sure did.
Gotta get you back in the kitchen, girl.
You ain't gotta get me back in the kitchen.
Cause see, when you don't cook like that, your money get cut off. Your money get cut off, y'all.
I don't care.
You don't. You don't.
Nope.
I can't tell.
I sure don't.
You don't. Okay. I'm glad to hear that.
You cut me off.
Y'all hear him? She off. My hand itching too. Where's it coming? Don't mean nothing to it.
So don't.
Yeah, it do. I'm gonna drop.
You ain't getting nothing.
Yeah. My hand, if my fuck come in. My hand is like that, you know something coming in there.
Mine's only itch when I'm going to get paid. Ain't nothing for nowhere else.
That's what I'm saying.
So, well,
I got chicken meal.
I hope so.
What you don't know about? They say Marvin Coe and not Andrew.
That's my last name up there. It's mine.
No. Go ahead and try to cash your money. You getting a chicken wing. Like, I'm gonna have you a replica.
You won't.
Who?
You.
I tell you what. What's your name on my check? See where you go.
No.
I ain't coming down there neither. I tell you, I don't know.
Yeah. I wish you would. I wish you would.
Like, I don't know it.
I wish you would. You talking about you don't know me.
Who?
You better not have me arrested for even
So if Mom told Pa, will. You going there?
You'll do me like that.
My money. How?
You'll do me like that.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
our money.
I know our money.
Mm-hmm.
They say Marvin, they don't say Angela.
So here's our.
I'm telling you. Going down.
Y'all here no good, y'all.
Man, where your wife at, man? Sit down. Sit down tight. Throw my check out the mailbox. You going down, girl.
No.
Going down.
No, I'm not. Now take me down.
For that name till it's gone. The kid asked for your thing all the time.
No.
Granddad, where grandma at? Oh, she gone out of town. She gone out of town. She be back.
Yeah, I sure will.
Yes, sir.
Then right back out.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, because you going to come get me.
No, I'm not.
You sure will. You sure will.
Bad money? Poetry?
You come to get me.
I'm gonna come get you on the one put you in there. I can
You
come
better
get
come get me. I don't care. That's what I'm saying. You better come get me. You put me in there.
I'm telling the kid you in the hospital.
Really? Yeah, right. Damn, do that.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Damn, but
Oh, Lord.
I sure will be in there.
You sure? Yeah. Both of your hands broke.
You gonna break my hand for taking a check? Lord.
Oh, Lord.
You gonna break my hands for taking
Both
a check?
of them.
Oh, Lord.
You won't sign nothing else.
I guess I better touch that.
I don't touch that.
I ain't gonna touch that check then. Mm-mm.
No, I wouldn't
I ain't
do
touching
that.
that check
I wouldn't
then.
do that. You know I wouldn't do that.
I know you would. So when you did, I said, like I said, you come to get it.
I am. I come get you.
Yeah, I know it. Mm-hmm.
Right. Right, Chris.
Whatever. Mm-hmm.
I look good. Blind.
He's so weird, y'all. He's so weird telling that lie. Lying.
I teach you a lesson now.
You teach me no lesson.
Leave people stuff alone.
Ain't people, it's my husband check. I can cash if I want to.
When you going to the bank or so we can tell the people? Then I said, well, where he at?
He gave me permission to come cash out. That's what I'm telling you.
Who's telling people that?
I sure will. You know I know people in the bank, so they gonna let me cash it.
That's right. That's why I checked the mailbox before you do. I might get one of my army checks.
No, no. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've been in the army, but you know
A
what?
crazy check, that's all
You
you
ain't not
gonna
been
get.
in, I've been in the
Well,
army.
you ain't been no daggone
I
army.
did.
Lying.
I have. I've
What
been in-
army? You ain't been no daggone army. Stop
U.S.
lying.
Army.
You ain't been no army, y'all. You ain't been no army, y'all.
And is John called the army?
It
John
sure
called the
ain't.
army too.
It sure ain't.
They treat you like the army.
Well, it ain't no daggone army. Somebody be in the army looking for your army check. You ain't getting no daggone army check. You get a crazy check, if anything. You won't be no army check.
I can send me one if they want to.
What you gonna do with it?
Okay.
And you going down.
You come and get me.
I ain't coming to get you. Shoot.
You can help spend it. You come and get me. You a part of it.
I ain't spending none of that. And I know it ain't yours.
Ain't my
I
name
ain't gonna
on
be in no,
Ain't my name on it.
No.
Let's
I don't
do
care.
it.
You know it ain't yours, though. You know you don't deserve that check.
But if they send me a
You
check,
going down.
if they send me a check with my name on it, I'm cashing it. I don't care where it's from.
And you going down.
It's from Biscuits Mukbang.
Because you know you ain't got no business getting receiving no money from nobody but your job and your, what you call money.
But sometimes
Excuse me, y'all.
you got money that's missing out there that you ain't, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, your estates. You check yours and try to see if you got it out there?
Yeah.
You ain't checked nothing.
I did.
You ain't got nothing out there either.
I know. I
You
owe
ain't
them.
Dang. You owe the people. You don't even got, people can't even see you nothing because you owe them. Wow. I need to check and see if I got it out there. I might have
you ain't got
somebody else
nothing.
somewhere. You don't know that. I might have some.
Too many Angela Colwells around the world. You ain't got none.
It don't matter. I might have somebody else. They ain't got the same middle names I got. And they ain't got my same social and all that. So, yeah. I might have some out there.
Go ahead and see if you can find someone out
I'm
there.
going to look it up tomorrow. Try to see. And see. I'm going to look it up tomorrow. See if I got something out there. I bet you I got
You
something
good?
out
Talking about, yeah, we looking for you anyway.
there. They ain't gonna say that because they ain't looking for me. What they looking for me for? I don't do wrong. So that no, I ain't got to.
You ain't got to do
I ain't
wrong.
got to look under my back.
You ain't got to do nothing wrong. Bill collector, anything be looking for you.
Well, if they ain't got nothing all these years, they won't get it. They sure
You're like,
won't.
we
If
got.
They sure won't.
They call your phone.
Because anything after 7 years anyway, they can't get nothing anyway.
I
That's
don't know who told you that lie.
Yeah, that's what the lady told me.
She lying.
That's what the
I
lady
don't
told
know
me.
who told you that.
After 7 years, they can't get nothing. They don't even bother you no more after 7 years.
Not in Virginia. I don't know who told you that.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
No, they don't. She lied to you. Trying
No, she did.
to get some information from you.
You ain't trying to get no information from me.
After 7 years.
Yeah, it's supposed to drop
Well, okay, but
off your stuff.
okay, well, drive. Okay, say instance you had a driver license, and they suspended it. It's been 7 years. Drive through.
No, not
Once you go to jail.
not no darn license, boy. You crazy?
You talking about like money?
No, like a bill collector, like you owe somebody some money from a past due bill and stuff way back.
Well, why is it on your credit then? It be on your credit.
No, after 7 years, it's supposed to come off.
Like,
That's what I'm telling you. The lady told me that it's supposed to come off after 7 years. Now, I'm telling you what the lady told me.
They tell you anything on the phone.
Well, she ain't got to lie to me.
But don't they tell you anything on the phone?
Some of them do.
Yeah, they do. Mm-hmm.
But I don't know why she would lie to me. She ain't got
Like
to
they
lie to
call
me.
your phone talking about your warrants are running off.
I know they call tell everybody.
I ain't never had them. What you mean?
Look, they call Kamara's phone. Kamara don't even have a car.
They terrible.
Kamara don't even own a car. Ain't never had a car. He talking about your suspended warranty. Your warranty about to run out.
I said, Miss, don't call my phone no more. I asked y'all not to call my. I have car insurance.
Exactly.
Don't call
One called
my
me today.
phone.
I told her that.
Yeah, she
One called me today.
Yeah,
I said, look, I have car insurance. Thank you. Bye.
these people swear. Don't know.
And they only give a chance to say that they gonna start talking all fast and stuff. Want to make sure you hear them. Excuse me.
Hello, is this Marvin? You already knew it. Did you call my phone?
Exactly.
Well, you have a debt, baby. Click up. Anybody trying to hear that? You can get nailed down.
I know, right? They be trying to get in, boy. They be trying to talk fast so you can hear them.
Girl.
I be like, they about to get off my phone.
They got some people out there for you.
They sure do.
You
Worse
can
some people.
You can ask slow if you want to. You're going to get burnt. I'm telling you. Some people, no con, man, they got con out.
They sure do.
Scammers.
Scam lightly. They call for all kinds of numbers, though. You don't know. They call for all kinds of numbers.
But now they got whatever your area code is, they got their area code. That area code, 757.
Yeah, I know.
Pop right on your phone. And you know you're going to answer that.
Yeah.
Because you ain't answering all the time.
No. Yeah,
Sir, hello, you got a furniture bill? Sir, I ain't had no furniture since 1966. Cooker, you can call me about no furniture. I ain't got no furniture. Man, them people going crazy.
Yes, they is terrible.
No.
Everybody, they get everybody call your phone.
They can't get me. I ain't gonna let them get me like that. No, sir.
Me either. You know, I hang up on them in a minute.
But when you hang up, they call right back.
Now, don't call my phone back.
Not that same day. They'll
call back and I keep hanging up. I don't care. Look, I got time to waste just like they do. I just keep hanging it up. That's all.
I don't know how they get them numbers.
I don't know how to get your number. Well, you know,
they scam us. They scam us.
Everybody number. They get it off. They just randomly go through people's phone, through the yellow pages. They have the yellow pages still. Wherever, how they get the phone numbers now. Because I don't see no phone book in the God.
Girl, let me tell you something.
However they get phone numbers and stuff.
Somebody got my, remember I told you somebody got my card information? They spent $2 on cent. I heard y'all got that. But no. I said, y'all give me that back.
$2.
$2 something. They was in the store. I said, give me that back.
Lord,
I asked for my money back. They sent it back.
They gave back.
Yeah, they sent it back.
Lord, $2. You asked me $2.
It's mine. Give it up.
Lord have mercy.
I called the whole United States for that $2.50. Give me that.
Don't make no
it's
sense.
Mine.
You stupid.
No.
Don't make no sense. You worrying people for $2.
I said, ma'am, I ain't no way. I was at the gas station 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm in the bed that time of the morning.
Exactly.
Give me that. Give me that $2 some change.
He's terrible, y'all. $2 some change. He want that back, y'all.
Man, I called the card number. I called they bought. They called they bought.
Dang.
Sir, the money will be on your card. I said, don't take 30 days to put no $2.50 on your card. Give me that.
Or 3 to 5 business days and all
man,
that.
They crazy, man.
It ain't take y'all that long. They take it off of there.
I get an alert. I look on my phone in the morning. They talking about $2.50.
I remember
$2. Yeah, give me that. They put it back. I ain't going to that store no more.
Probably somebody whoever waited on you with your card.
You know what? That you right
They
too.
want nobody but whoever waited on you with that daggone card.
See, y'all, they letting all the foreign people come over here.
Yeah.
And they know how to get you.
Yeah.
And they take that money, carry right over their seas where they, they smart, bro. They think they is too.
Yep.
I went in the store a while ago. Here they got all new sneakers in there, right?
Which one? The one up Chesapeake?
The one right here. The one right here on
The
top.
one down the street?
Yeah. You see them fake Jordans in there?
I ain't seen none at all, but they got
Jordan
one in the street.
It's Jordan sign upside down. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
You ain't see them.
I ain't seen none in that store, but I know they got them at the The one on Campostella, that gas station.
Girl, look.
I seen they got a lot of sneakers and stuff in there.
A man, dude came in there like, oh, these are. I said, yeah, they is nice. So he told me here's some water. They gonna join upside down. They need to be
Upside down.
They should be ashamed.
They should be ashamed. They said trying to get somebody. I think people ain't gonna notice them.
They bound though. You know the older guys.
The older guys that don't know.
Yeah, they bound.
Yeah.
I said they look real nice.
That one up there on Campostella, they had some nice ones in there.
You told me the one by like you going there right there Campostella and
Cross the
Ward's
gas
Corner.
station. Right there about crossing the gas station.
Ward's Corner.
Off Atlanta
I
Avenue.
mean Edmonds
off
Corner.
Campostella. No, not that one. The one that Tisha used to work at.
Oh! I don't even go in there.
Yeah, they got
They got Real Jordans in there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I ain't seen no Jordans, but I seen like Nikes and stuff.
DCs.
They had some nice. I ain't seen no DCs. I seen a bunch of Nikes. Like they had some nice ones though.
They knock off.
Yeah, you know the knockoff.
I'm gonna tell you what the man told me. Exactly what he said. He said they're the same sneakers. He said the only difference is they use cheaper material in China.
Yeah, I know.
He said they're the same sneakers.
I know it. I know.
But
That's how all gonna do.
But I ain't.
That's why they sell them cheap.
But
they
see,
use cheap material.
let me tell you something. You can tell when they ain't real because they sound like clogs. They
heavy.
They heavy and all that. I'm on my used to sell them. I said, man, come on. you get two pair for $80. You go into the mall, you can pay one. Mister, and this is true. I bought a pair of knockoff DC from the mall.
You remember they had that? They did that. Went up in the malls and stuff for them selling fake shoes and stuff.
I bought a pair.
A lot of people had bought them.
Nike San Antonio yellow.
Yep, a lot of people bought some fake sneakers and stuff out of the mall. And they went there and shut them down too. Took all that stuff out of there.
They should have shut them down and get my money.
They sure
like
did.
That.
When they took all that stuff out of there.
Real official DC. That's why I'm bound. But they look good when they got them all on the display and everything like they real sneakers. But you don't know.
No, you don't know.
Till you put them on.
Yeah.
I don't like DC that way. I don't wear them. They ain't.
We finished, honey.
Yeah, we finished. It was a nice old meal. I couldn't eat all mine, but I'm good. I thank God for this plate right here because this is my Sunday meal, you know. But I'm gonna stay on her tail.
And we eating it on a Monday.
I'm gonna stay on her tail.
I ain't cooked yesterday. I cooked it today. I cooked this meal today.
I was mad yesterday, but I ain't saying anything about it.
Yeah, because I couldn't find no big old. I don't like cooking no big old turkey wings.
When we had turkey wings, you could have had anything. I just went and fixed me a couple.
I had my mouth set on collard greens. I was gonna cook some fresh collard greens and some smoked meat, smoked turkey wings or smoked neck bones, and I was gonna cook them turkey wings, and I was gonna smother them janks in some gravy.
Well, I'm gonna find some turkey wings tomorrow.
And
Wednesday.
Cook some mac and cheese with them and that potato salad. Shoot, I was even thinking about frying a few legs, but hey, them turkey wings just too big. I don't like them big things, and they take forever to cook. I don't like them big old turkey wings. Even though I could have just put them in the oven early that morning and just let them cook, but I don't like them big ones. I like the little ones.
I'm gonna go out Wednesday and find some turkey wings. I know where to get them from.
I could have even went to Piggly Wiggly. I ain't even think.
I get on unemployment check.
Yeah, right. You wish you did. You wish you got an unemployment check. Shoot.
They didn't cut that money off. That money been gone.
Excuse me.
People still don't want to work.
Well, they'll be working in a little while. They'll be back in a little while.
God is good, y'all. All the time.
Sure is.
Yeah, all the time.
All the time he is.
Amen, but I appreciate it. Amen.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
You'll get another one Sunday. If you find them turkey wings.
If we don't have no turkey wings, go find some out the freezer and cook.
Ain't nothing in there but chicken.
That's all right.
Turkey chops.
No, it's more than that in there.
I mean, for the cook for a Sunday meal.
Yeah,
Yes, a lot of stuff in there, but for the cook for a meal, for a Sunday meal, what else you gonna cook? You don't eat pig feet, you don't eat pork, so what else you gonna eat? Besides chicken.
Fish?
On a Sunday.
Yeah, you bake the fish. You ain't got to always fry fish.
You like baked fish?
Yeah, I like baked fish. You don't like baked fish?
Sometimes.
You know what I mean? I'm find some chicken wings though. But you know Thanksgiving ready to come up anyway. So. Hey y'all, we appreciate y'all. Hit that star button. Hit that share.
What star button? Thumbs up button. Crazy. Share. Go ahead.
Share. What is it? Share. Thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Hit all them buttons, y'all. Appreciate you. We love y'all.
So yeah, I guess that's our closing. I guess he closed with that, y'all.
Well,
I'm gonna let him have that. So yeah, until our next video, we love y'all. Peace.
Peace.